National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montague County in north-central Texas, Cook County in north-central Texas, northwestern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Leon, or 16 miles east of Nacona, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hubert H. Moss Lake around 9:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Texoma around 9:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Southeastern Lake Texoma around 10:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Pottsboro around 10:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Denison and Eisenhower State Park around 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Rainbow Lake around 10:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Dixie, Preston, South Maid, Bulker, Sturgeon, Sadler, Caps Corner, Locust, Illinois Bend, and Marysville. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 493 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check